All right, I'm gonna be trying out this Vever. This is their 750 watt, I think it's a 3000 PSI paint sprayer, but I'm using it to spray stain. I've seen people here on YouTube and even, I think even on TikTok, there's people using these to spray stain. The reason I wanted to try this for stain is because I can make all of my DIY stain up. If you don't know what that is, I do have a video on how I make that. It's used motor oil and diesel. Do you guys think that's illegal or not illegal? I don't know, throw something down in the comments if you think that's illegal or safe. But that's what that is, so that didn't cost me hardly anything. But I can make up the whole batch, and I think I can spray this whole shed one shot without having to stop and refill and stop and refill. So I think this thing is gonna be awesome. I've already tried it just a little bit and it seems to be working. You just have to kind of adjust your spray setting so you're not spraying too fast because it's just a lot thinner than paint. So I have it down a lot lower, but just watch, here we go. And I got my concrete all covered up with cardboard so I don't get no oil all over it. And you can spin this end so you can spray either vertically or horizontal. And you may want to be wearing a mask, but I'm not. I'm kind of holding my breath. That's going to be really, really fast. So far this is working awesome with my stain. And I can do this whole side, do the whole front. Then I just have to move the paint sprayer and my stain and do the other two sides. And I'm done. Look at that. This thing is awesome. Sometimes I don't like when the wind's blowing, but since it's blowing away from my house and my neighbors, it's good. I kind of like this extension that comes with it. I don't think I'm gonna need a ladder. Look at that. This, I know some of you guys maybe watch my TikTok with that other really cheap, I don't know what kind of sprayer you call it, just a little handheld sprayer you could get. That thing did work, but this thing is gonna be 100 times better. And that is really not that expensive. That paint sprayer does not cost that much. I may try to make another video. I'll have to clean it all out to try to use it with paint. If you guys want to see me use that with paint, let me know. I'll have a link to that down in my description if you want to check one of them out. So far, I love it for stain. If you do want to see me use this spraying paint, let me know. Throw that down in my comments. This is awesome. I love this. I don't even have to get on a ladder. I definitely like this. This is nice.
Probably should have a mask on though.
This stain does also seem to help with keeping the bugs away and the carpenter bees and stuff like that. It definitely seems to help with that. Now I put 2 parts oil to 1 part diesel in this mix. I have done this in the past. If you want it to be a little lighter, I have done 50-50, so 1 part diesel, 1 part oil. If you like this video so far, give this video a thumbs up. All right, that's it for this video here on YouTube. That power sprayer is awesome. I love it. So far, I love it. I'm gonna try it with some paint maybe in my garage, especially if you guys really wanna see that. Let me know, throw it down in my comments. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day.